The central government on Sunday evening said that the rise in the water level of the river affected by glacier burst in Uttarakhand's Chamoli district has been contained and there is no danger downstream. It also said that there is no threat to other villages and hydro projects in the state. The update came after a review of the situation by both Uttarakhand government and the centre. Here are the latest developments on this big story. The Indo-Tibetan Border Police, which is involved in rescue operations along with National Disaster Response Force (NDRF) and State Disaster Response Force (SDRF), said they have recovered around 10 bodies. The rescuers said around 150 people are believed to be dead. Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat held a press conference on Sunday evening after reviewing the situation. He also announced a financial assistance of 4 lakh rupees for families of those killed. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also approved an ex gratia of 2 lakh rupees each from Prime Minister's National Relief Fund for families of those killed. He and Union Home Minister Amit Shah has been in regular touch with the Uttarakhand government and has promised all central help. An emergency meeting of the National Crisis Management Committee, headed by Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba, was held in New Delhi to monitor the progress in rescue operation. The operation is being coordinated by the Army and the ITBP. A DRDO team of snow and avalanche experts from its newly created Defence Geoinformatics Research Establishment will reach Uttarakhand on Monday to assess situation at site. The team will assess the glacier situation around the site of today's incident. 2 C-130J Super Hercules transport plane with 3 companies of NDRF and 15 tons of other loads and equipment was sent to Uttarakhand from Hindan Airways in Ghaziabad. While the first C-130J landed at Jolly Grant Airport near Dehradun, the second plane is expected to arrive soon. On Sunday morning, a portion of the Nanda Devi Glacier broke off, which triggered flash floods in Dhauli Ganga and the Rishi Ganga rivers and also impacted the Alaknanda, one of the tributaries of the Ganga. The glacier burst led to a rise in water levels in the river Rishi Ganga, which washed away the Rishi Ganga small hydro project of 13.2 MW, run by the National Thermal Power Corporation. The flash flood also affected the downstream hydro project of NTPC at Tapovan on the river Dhauli Ganga, which is a tributary of the river Alaknanda. The Uttar Pradesh government on Sunday asked authorities in all districts on the banks of the Ganga river to be on high alert and continuously monitor the water level after the natural disaster in Uttarakhand.